This instructional video will show you the proper way to clean the condenser of your TRCB chef base table. Tools required for this task include a Phillips screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, stiff bristle brush, air tank or CO2, vacuum cleaner, and a flashlight. The first step in cleaning the condenser is to disconnect power from the unit. Use a Phillips screwdriver to take off the grill assembly by removing the screws on the side of the unit. If cleaning the condenser of a TRCB 79 or TRCB 110, you will want to use a flathead screwdriver and remove the 4 screws holding the front grill in place. Then clean off the condenser coil with a stiff bristle brush. Move the brush up and down the coil and never side to side, as this could bend the fins on the coil. After brushing the condenser coil, vacuum the dirt off the coil, moving the vacuum up and down and never side to side, as this could bend the fins on the coil. You may use compressed air or CO2 to clean the condenser. Just remember to vacuum the dirt off the floor and the surrounding areas of the condenser to avoid the dirt from being sucked back up into the coil. Shine a light through the condenser. You should now be able to see the light on the other end, meaning the condenser is now free of debris. Then reinstall the grill. Connect the unit to the power and make sure the compressor is running. A recommended rule is to check the coil every month for the first 3 months of use. This will tell you how dirty your environment is. Generally, you should be cleaning your condenser coil every 60 to 90 days, depending on the environment in which it is used. Never use filters in any shape or form, as this could instantly block the airflow and do not allow the unit to run properly. For additional assistance or questions, please contact True's Technical Service Department at 1-855-372-1368.